Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absolute. 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 Absolute is an adjective that is used to describe something that is complete, total, unconditional, or without any limitations or exceptions. It indicates a high degree of certainty or a lack of ambiguity. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The scientist had absolute confidence in the accuracy of the experiment's results. Why absolute use in example number 1? In this example, absolute is used to describe the scientist's high level of confidence in the results, emphasizing that there is no doubt or uncertainty. Example number 2. The storm caused absolute chaos in the city, with widespread power outages and flooding. Why absolute use in example number 2? Absolute is used to emphasize the extent of the chaos and the presence of widespread power outages and flooding throughout the city. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.